If you're preparing for your NMC or ski exam, it is very important you learn how to do your hand hygiene. Learning how to do the hand hygiene will not only help you to pass your Osce, it is also going to help you to learn how to keep yourself safe, keep the patient safe, and keep everyone close to you safe when you start practicing. For the purpose of this video, I'll be showing us a very simple way to practice your hand hygiene using the World Health Recommendation Guideline. This is a hand sanitizer, but I'll be using it as my alcohol rub for this video. And you also have to remember, to do your hand hygiene, you do not need to wear a glove. So once you've started your practice and you've checked for scene safety, you can tell your assessor that, "Assessor, I can confirm that the environment is safe for I and my patient." Then next thing you have to do is your hand hygiene. In your Osce center, alcohol rub will be provided for you. It can come in form of a water. It mustn't necessarily be a hand sanitizer, just so that you wouldn't get yourself messed up. The assessor knows that Osce or any exam comes with lots of tension, so do not make the mistake of pouring more than one alcohol rub into your palm. If you take more than you should, it's going to make your hand messy and the alcohol is not going to dry up fast. So I am going to verbalize this. After verbalizing it, I am going to practice it. Please remember, you do not have to wear your glove for your NMC Osce hand hygiene. Verbalization, you will start by, I am going to perform the hand hygiene using the World Health Recommendation Guideline. Pouring an ampoule of alcohol on my palm, I'll rub my palm to palm, right finger on the left dorsum, vice versa, fingers interlaced. You say it, fingers interlaced, fingers interlock. You do it again, fingers interlock. You see, the first finger interlocked, I did it like this, with my right hand on my left arms interlock. Then you do it again, fingers interlock. Now with your left arm, with your left palm and your right palm interlock. You see it? Rotational rubbing of the thumb. Rotational rubbing of the thumb again. Tips to my palm. Tips to my palm. Rubbing of my wrist. Leave my hands to dry for 30 seconds. Assessor, I can proceed to my patient. Now this is the time for you to wear your glove if your station requires you to wear a glove. So now that we have listened to the verbalization, why don't we practice it now? So once you come into your station, assessor, I can confirm that the environment is safe for I and my patient. I'll perform the hand hygiene using the World Health Recommendation Guideline. Pouring an ampoule of alcohol on my palm, rub palm to palm, right finger on the left dorsum, vice versa, fingers interlaced, fingers interlock, fingers interlock, rotational rubbing of the thumb, rotational rubbing of the thumb, tips my palm, rubbing of my wrist. Leave my hands to dry for 30 seconds. Assessor, I cannot proceed to my patient. You see, by the time you're done with the hand hygiene and the hand rub, your palms would be very dry. But if you take more than a drop of your alcohol, by the time you finish your hand hygiene and finish the whole procedure, your hand will still be all wet and it will be very difficult for you to put on the glove. You know, exam can come with different tension. Exam can make you confused, but once you learn all these things, it is going to keep you at ease and you're not going to make mistakes once you start your practical. So remember, just a single drop of the alcohol, you perform the hand hygiene. If you practice it the same way I have just said now, it is going to save you time, because in the Osce exam, you have to battle with time while you're doing the right procedure. Do you understand? Cut it short, make the English short, so that by the time you're done with your hand hygiene, you can just use less than a minute to do your hand hygiene. It shouldn't be more than that, because for Osce, time is not your friend.